Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check the transaction history on Zengo wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo wallet, which of course I have done right here. As you can see, it has a beautiful, fantastic user interface that makes it easier for you to navigate to diverse features and options. It also has diverse icons representing diverse features that helps you optimize your experience in Zengo. So now that we're here on this homepage, let's open today's tab, which is how to check the transaction history on Zengo. So from this homepage, all right, you're going to have to head over to the bottom corner of the screen. You're going to find a couple icons. You're going to find the home icon, you're going to find history icon, you're going to find settings icon, and you're going to find security. You're also going to find the middle icon. Now go ahead and click on history. Click on the history button or the history tab, and it's going to take you right here. Now it says, oops, it's quiet around here. It's quiet because I have not started making deposits. So once you start making your deposits, you're going to find your history in here. So go ahead and tap the transaction. All right, so tap the transaction that you want to get a history for. Once you tap the transaction in the history tab, after tapping the transaction and saying that again, then go ahead and enter each transaction history, transaction details screen. So click on the transaction and then click on the transaction details screen. You're going to find transaction details. So click on that. Tap the transaction, tap transaction details. And once you tap transaction details screen, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find the status line. Now go ahead and click on status. Once you click on the status line, it's going to take you through the process, or it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find your entire transaction history. You can choose to download it if you want to. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show you is, this is actually how to get the transaction history for tokens. All right, so from this homepage, you're going to see tokens and you're going to see NFTs. So you can head over to the NFT tab or the NFT window and head over to history. You're also going to follow through the same processes to check the transaction history for your NFTs, the same process that we use to check for the tokens. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.